So here we have is a low pressure indicator light made by AirDog. As you can see, most of the items that comes inside a little baggie shows you where you can do to be able to check your light if you have low pressure on your AirDog or you have some other issues as well. So we wanted to show you some of the items that comes with the little grommet and elbow on it, the main indicator. Now remember that you'll be able to plug that in right by the harness by the fuel tank. Now if you want to extend it, you're welcome to cut the wires, extend it a little further out. It's not going to affect anything on it. As well, we like to introduce a piece that will make your life a little bit much easier. That is the Toxic Diesel quick release. It's designed so you can actually threaten that piece right there into here, your light indicator if you want, or a different brand. It doesn't matter what brand it is. It is a quick disconnect, so now you don't have to cut your fuel line anymore and do a splice. You just order this piece out of our website at toxicdiesel.com, and it has a quick disconnect. It has the multiple ports. It actually has 3 different ports on it, so you can actually install that on your pickup right by the CP3. So if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or check out our website at toxicdiesel.com.